I was told Google ads were higher cost than Facebook. Is it still the case, or is Google coming down? Um, it really depends what you mean by higher cost. If Google ads are expensive but they are converting, and Facebook ads are cheaper and not converting, then in my opinion, Facebook ads are expensive because it's costing you money. It really doesn't matter about the cost, and this is what I tell everybody: don't focus on the cost. Oh, I need to lower my cost. You try to focus on increasing the profitability of your campaigns. Even if Google is charging you £100 a click and you are profitable, you shouldn't care really, because you are getting more work and you are making money. So, and it's not coming out of your pocket or out of your budget, because whatever you are making, you then reinvest back into your campaigns, and you keep on going and keep on scaling. And this is how these campaigns work, and that's the beauty of these ads. So what I do is with video ads, because very few people are doing and running video ads. I run them on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and where else? Quora. No, not Quora. Quora is only image. So there are five. One more channel is missing out, but these big four, you got to hit them, because it's literally pennies, and you put out your message, build up your brand and your messaging. No matter what industry or niche you're in, you can create a little video with your smartphone. And right now, this is the perfect time, my friends, to reach out, because we are all stuck indoors at home. You cannot go out to meet your customers. You cannot. I'm spending half an hour, 30 minutes or 45 minutes over here with you guys. My message in front of my audience pretty much forever until I delete this. So I wouldn't. Facebook and Google, comparing them is like comparing apples to oranges. They're both good and they both work. And how you utilize these two platforms and channels to your advantage, it's up to you, because most people either run on Facebook and not on Google, or Google and not on Facebook. Run both and see what happens, because every time somebody has come to your website, you pixel them in with the Facebook pixel, and then you remarket them over there.